Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Right now I'm about to leave the house right now to take you guys on a food tour. As I'm walking out, I'm going to be showing you guys, what the place looks like, what to expect, in this area, and to show you that you can pretty much roll almost anywhere in Mexico with little or no problems. Let me just leave the house here. Give me a second, guys. All right, now I'm pretty much outside and it's hot as hell. Pretty much if I were to talk about this particular area, it feels like a concrete jungle, almost like a Tivoli in some sort of way. But there are not a lot of nice houses in between. And now I'm getting onto more of a commercial strip where you can find other stuff. It's really supposed to be a food video, but I do know some of you guys wanted to see the area. I'll film more of it to show you guys exactly what it looks like. But currently, I'm going to be going over to the OXXO so I could get me this drink that I want. Because where I'm taking you guys today is going to be this, it's almost like a jerk center kind of feel and vibe. I'll show you guys all that. I'm going to get the drink and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so as I walk, I'm just going to talk to you guys just a little bit. Cause that's my job, to talk to you guys, that you guys know what is what with YouTube. Some of you guys are new, you don't quite understand how YouTubers actually survive, but if you're just here to watch the food videos, then just feel free to skip ahead, right? But anyway, so the other day I posted something and I was mentioning, guys, if you watch the video, the least you could do for someone that you watch all the time is just to click the like button. Matter of fact, the mere fact that you click on every video that I upload or you follow the videos, it's already an indicator that you like the video. When you click on it, you're helping YouTube to realize that, okay, this video is what the guy said it would be. Anyway, you guys might realize, those of you who've been here with me from day one, maybe, someone like Dope Chick, who I have a picture that I saved, and I believe, if I'm not lying, Dope Chick was in the first 100 subscribers, so she's probably watched a lot of my videos. And I don't ask you guys to like the videos. I generally don't do it because I do feel like my shirt says here, freedom. If you feel like you want to like it, you're gonna like it. And me telling you to like it, as much as YouTube says we should tell you guys to like the video or to subscribe, I don't really do it. Anyway, the other day I said to someone, I said to the general public, I was like, yo, if you watch your videos, just give it a like. Someone made it their point of duty to say that I'm bullying. The person said that I'm bullying because I asked for a like. If you watch the videos, please give it a like. Why is it that I'm here? Because I already ate at this restaurant before. I know what the food tastes like, but I didn't bring my camera. And I was like, you know what? You guys are like my family. You guys support me in a lot of ways. You watch the videos, you like if you choose to like, you do all sorts of stuff for me. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna come back out here and film it for you guys. You feel me? Why is it so hard for someone to give the video a like? I'll try to show you a picture of my YouTube account. I think when I checked it the other day, I've given over 1,000 likes. Usually as I watch a video, I click the like button. Anyway, for that person who said that, to be quite honest, I can't mess with that kind of energy, so I won't be messing with that person anymore on my channel, that's for sure. Someone also asked me this morning on an upload, they were like, do we get paid from YouTube ads? Yeah, of course. A YouTube channel is like a channel on TV. As annoying as the ads are, that's how we get to earn. When someone watches an ad, that's how we get to earn a little bit so that we can, make our channels grow. But that's all I had to say just now. I'm about to get to this place and I'll show you guys what the food is like. The food is awesome. Alright, so I just got to my spot. I think they told me that it's open at from 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock in the day. And they do pork. They do pork here and they do chicken, and I'm telling you, man, I had the pork. It reminds me so much of jerk pork, but it's so good and it's not that expensive. I think I got one whole kilo of pork for 130 pesos. And it was so much, I literally got 2 meals out of it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what they're doing and I'm gonna order something.
Eso está bien.
Baby, pásame otra punta más. Le falta la parte gruesa, pásame otra punta. No, güey, está crudo. La punta. No, mira.
Uno entero. Ándale, esas de carne.
This is made from avocado.
Avocado?
It's not spicy.
Not too spicy? Alright, thank you, my friend. Alright, so you guys can see I have a nice little spread. This is a sauce that's a little bit spicy, just a little bit. Avocado, not so spicy. Pork, salad, rice, and some tortilla. You guys might realize I brought my own drink because since I've been here, Coca-Cola is very popular and I've had too much of that, so I went with that instead. So as you guys can see, it's a nice little spot just off the side of the road. Again, this is just 70 pesos, which is less than $5, maybe $4 and something cents, and it's so much food. Like, I cannot eat so many of those tortillas at all. So I'm gonna bite right into it. Bite into the pork just by itself. Wow. It's very reminiscent of jerk pork, but it's not spicy. It's just so well done. If you guys have had ribs before, you know what ribs taste like. Ribs are very, very tender around the bone. Sometimes a little bit fatty. It tastes a little bit bacony as well. If you don't eat pork, no offense. If you don't eat meat, but it's very good. Okay. Now I'm gonna try it with some of the sauce. So of course we got this sauce here. Just gonna put a little bit of the red sauce on top of it. Squeeze just a bit of the lime. It might sound strange because back at home we don't really use a lime on meats unless we're washing the meat off. But with the lime it gives it an interesting taste. Here's the funny part. Once the red sauce gets on it, it tastes like jerk. The spicy kick gives it that whole jerk flavor. So if you're ever like missing home, you can try a spot like this, and it's gonna remind you of Jamaican food, Jamaican jerk chicken. The rice is very good. It's not shelly rice. The rice is, you know, a little bit sticky, but it's good. And the vegetables are fresh. Alright, so I'm gonna try one of the tortillas. A tortilla is a tortilla. After a while, it's not something that I'm gonna say, oh, it's so amazing now because I've had so many of them since I've been here. It's a bit noisy because it's street side food, right? Try a bit of the tortilla with this avocado sauce. I don't know about that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it's, yeah. There's definitely avocado sauce. Now, as you guys might have seen when I was walking and talking with you guys, it took about 3 minutes. So I would say from the house to get here, it's easily about a 7-minute walk, which isn't so bad. And I would say, so far since I've been here, most places that you can stay, there's always a street side food place that's very close to where you are, just all the time. You feel me? And this one is worth it, like 100%, man. My favorite way to eat it is just with the red sauce, because it reminds me so much of Jamaica. Like, you know what a good jerk pork tastes like? Yeah, this is a good jerk pork with a different texture, because it's I believe it's the rib parts. So good. Alright guys, forgive me if I didn't seem as excited as I was from the very first time, and that's because it's my second time here, so I already know what to expect, but trust me, the food here is very good. I didn't really touch my tortilla. I only had one of them, and that's because I'm not really a big fan of tortillas, and when you're in Mexico you're going to be having a lot of those anyway, so I was quite fine with my rice, my veggies, and my pork. The atmosphere, as I said before, it's very reminiscent of a Jamaican jerk spot. The smell of the grill going up, the taste of the pork and everything like that, yo, muy bueno. I really enjoyed it here. Just to address a few things, you know, people always comment on the videos and they, you know, give me a lot of suggestions on places I can go. That's one mistake that I am seeing that I will rectify on my next trip, which is to maybe rent a car for a couple of days, because some of these places you want me to go and see, they're a bit far sometimes, and sometimes I'm a bit lazy, you know, to call a cab or to figure out how to take the cab or whatever. So on my next trip, I'll definitely make sure I get a car. What am I going to do for the rest of the day? I don't know. I don't quite know. I do know I want to get into the town. I want to get into the town and maybe, you know, go around and see a few things, because it's a Saturday. I believe the Airbnb host told me he will take me to Tulum because they're going to do something out there. I don't know how that's going to go. But for now, I'm just focusing on not letting the itis take me over, because I am getting very sleepy. Yeah. Alright, so pretty much guys, I'm leaving that place right there. A lot of you might have asked if I live in Mexico or whatever the case is. No, live in Jamaica. Would I live in Mexico? Hell yes, it's a very nice place. But don't get me wrong though, like there are things sometimes, like you might see rubbish or trash at certain parts, so it's not like, oh, it's perfect, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna stop right here at this little green grocer. This part here feels so much like Jamaica, like, you know, the roadside stall and stuff. Here they sell fruits and whatever. Yesterday I bought like a green juice that was really good. I think I spent 40 pesos on 2 drinks, on a bottle of coconut water and a green juice. But today I'm just gonna get coconut water. Alright, instead I got the big bottle. It was 40, so that's 40 pesos. The other small ones, they weren't cold. This is not cold either, but it tastes like Jamaican coconut water, so I'm so happy with that. Currently I'm talking to one of my friends on WhatsApp. We're talking about some political things. It's a really cool conversation, so I'll get back to you guys when I'm almost home, and I'll keep talking with him.